Hello students, welcome to St. Joseph online classes. Today we will continue chapter first, knowing numbers. In this chapter we will learn Indian number system and international number system. Then we move to the exercise 1.1. Okay, so let's start. First one is Indian number system. Number system. Indian number system. For this we will draw a table so you can understand this very well. We write here numbers and then we write here some divisions. Ones, here thousands, here lakh, and at last crore. And look at here, in ones place there are three divisions: ones, tens and hundred. As you learned in your previous classes, O stand for ones, T tens and hundred, H hundred. Similarly, thousand and 10,000. Similarly, in lakh and crore. So look at here. Firstly, we will take an Indian number system: 8, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7, 6, 2. Here, firstly we place the commas in this number. So how can we place? Firstly, we start from its right hand side. Its right hand side after taking 3 digits 1, 2, 3. Then every 2 digits. I hope you understand well. Firstly, we will start to write in right hand side. Place the commas after 3 digits. Then every 2 digits. Okay, then I write this 2 from right hand side, 6, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7 and 8. So how can we read this? 8 crore 75 lakh 95,000 762. Okay, now we move to the international number system. International number system. In international system, similarly there have also some divisions. Ones, then thousand, then million, then billion too, but we don't need to learn billion. Okay, in ones place, ones, tens, hundred. In thousand place, thousand, 10,000, then 100,000. In million place, 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. Then similarly in billion. So taking a number from here, international number system: 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 0, 9, 2. Okay, we will place these numbers here: 2, 9, 0, 1, 2, 9, 8, 7. And look at here, if we place commas here, so similarly we start from left hand side and we take three digits. So we place the comma after every 3 digits. Okay, I hope you understand. So we will try to read this. Look at here, 78,921,092. Okay, so we will move to the exercise 1.1. Firstly, we start filling the blanks. 1 lakh is equals to blanks 10,000. If we goes to the Indian number system, look at here, 10,000 here and lakh here. So if we multiply 10,000 by 10, so we got 1 lakh. Then 1 million is equals to blanks 100,000. So look at here, 10,000, 100,000 and here million. So if we multiply 10 by 100,000, we get 1 million. Then 1 million is equals to blanks 10 lakh. So we come here. Here 1 million. Start. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 10,000 after lakh and then 10 lakh. 10 lakh is equals to 1 million. So we write here 10 lakh is equals to 1 million. Look at here. 1 million is equals to blanks 10 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Then 1 million is equals to blanks lakh. Here lakh and 10 lakh. So right here 10 lakh. Then 1 crore is equals to blanks million. Okay. 1 crore is equals to blank million. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So here lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Understand? So here 10 million is equals to 1 crore and here is crore. Okay. Then come to the place comma here. 73 lakh. So we write 73 lakh because we know in lakh there is only 2 place. Put the comma 73 lakh. Then 75,000. In 1000 also 2 places. 75. Then put the comma here. 307. In this place only 3 divisions. So 307. In tens place we put 0. Okay, then come to the next. 9 crore. Look at here, in crore 2 places. Here 9 crore, so write 9 and place the comma. 5 lakh. In lakh place 2 divisions. So how can we write 505? Then place the comma. And then after lakh, here 1000. But in our number system there is no 1000. So put the zeros here and then 41. So how can we write 41? 041. Okay, then come to the next. 58 million. 58 million. Looking at million, we goes to the international number system. In international number system there are 3 divisions. So we place the comma after 3 digits. 58 million. 58 million. Then 423. 423,000. Okay. From here complete. Then 202. So we write 202. 202. Okay. Now come to the number names according to Indian number system, which we have looked here in this table. Okay, so firstly we place the comma, then we write this. I told you place the comma from right hand side taking 3 digits, then every 2 digits. So this is crore value, lakh value, thousand value and ones value. Okay, so come here. 8 crore 75 lakh 75 lakh 95,000 762. And look at here, we also put here commas 3 2 2. Okay, so this is crore value, this is lakh, thousand and ones. 9 crore 99 lakh 1000 place no values, so 46. Okay, then come to the international number system and we want to write its number name. Firstly we place the commas here. In international number system we place the comma from right hand side taking every 3 digits. Here also. Okay, so we try to write this. This is million place, this is thousand place and this is ones place. Okay, 78 million. Then 921,000. $92. Okay, now look at last. This is million, thousand, ones. 7 million 400 52 thousand. 200 83. Students, look at here. This is Indian number system, this is international system. According to this table, we will write to international number system and Indian number system. So we write here. We will take next topic in our next video. Till then you try to solve remaining some questions which is your homework. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.